Hello friends, this is Shamkan Satpute, MSc Agri, signing in from India. For every operation, we require tools, equipments, or some gadgets. As for example, a student will require a book, defense man will require weapons, the doctor will require medical equipments, and so on. On the same line, for agricultural operations, a farmer will require some of the agricultural tools. Now, these are for small operation, we call it as garden tools or we call it agriculture tools. I have been using these agriculture tools of the company Wolf-Garten of Germany for past 2 years, and my experience has been fantastic. So I want to share some of the agriculture tools with you that I have used. I have few agriculture tools to share and how they are to be used. First, we get this kind of handle. Now there are three types of handle, one of 80 centimeter, one of 120 centimeter, and the other of 180 centimeters. Now this is almost of 120 centimeters. The advantage of this is when you do any kind of operations, you don't have to bend, so your back remains straight, so you don't have to face any back issues. And the beauty of this is that only with one handle you can use all the tools, so one handle will suffice all the requirements. Now here it is just a press fit, you just have to press inside and it gets fit. So this will fit. Now first tool that we're going to see is the weeder with cultivator. So this three shoes, we'll see that when you put it like this, it acts as a cultivator, and we just turn it upside down, then it acts as a weeder. So it has a here sharp blade, and when you pull, the weeds get pulled. So if you put like this in the cultivator and like this, if you pull, it comes out. So this is for dual. You can use it for cultivation and you can use it to pull out the weeds. So two operations in one tool. So cultivator and the weeder. And the best part is that the Wolf-Garten company has fabricated into such a best type that it does not rust. I have been using for last 2 years, and you'll see there are some wet mud stuck, but still it does not rust. So this is rust free, and I feel that this will go for more than 10 years. And here we have the press fit. Now if I press this, this will come out. So I am ready to use now another tool. Another tool, this is only to pull and take it back the weeds. Now here I have the weed, so I can just pull it front and back for to and fro. So this is to be used only for small weeds. You can just pull and back. This is for to and fro motion. So again, I press this, I remove it back. This is second one. Now the third one is again for removing the weeds. Now here the weeds which has some deep roots, so we can use this for this deep roots. Suppose here we have one weed, so I will go, and this has a sharp end over here. Now I go and press this sharp end down, I put it down, and then I squeeze it. I move into horizontal motion and then I pull it. So this comes out. So this is the weed that is being removed. So where we have some deep roots, we can press this inside, the mud gets loosened, and then it becomes easy to pull the weeds. So first three tools that we saw were all dealing with different kinds of weeds. So first one was the cultivator with this. This was for small, we can push to and fro, and this is for the deep rooted weeds. So these three first instruments we have seen. Now here we have the power tiller. The power tiller, this is used for small gardens, wherever we have the clods. When we want to make the clods in small size, this can be used. Now if I put this here, now best part is that this will till the soil, and the base of this will also help to remove all the weeds that are there, and it will also help you to make the soil moist, means the clods will be broken down.